This is our video demonstration of the Ulltron Systems model UH115 wafer tape mounter. First thing I want to point out is I do have tape here mounted on here. This is the house tape, so you'll have to, it's not provided with the machine, you'll have to buy yours as required. Look this table up here, you can see that this has the edge mounted 6-inch wafer holder. I have the temperature set to 50 degrees. The vacuums, it'll indicate the vacuum here, so the vacuum pump is on. We're using a diaphragm pump. It's our house pump. You'll have to provide your own pump, vacuum pump, but a diaphragm pump should work just well. We do have 90 psi of compressed air also in the back. There's 2 ports labeled vacuum and air. We're using our house compressed air system. And it's a 240 volt system. I am using 208 and it works just fine. And if you look around the back here, you can see this is where your vacuum cord is connected. I just have a 1/4-inch line pressed in there, and then our vacuum line, again a 1/4-inch line. Okay, so the tape's loaded up in there, and it's brought in underneath this roller here that's going to move out and put everything together. So what I'm going to demonstrate, first of all, if I turn the vacuum on, you'll see that the gauge does go up. You can hear it. I don't know if you hear it, but it's leaking. You can hear it's leaking through the open ports. Now when it's off, it should read 30, minus 30 inches. So what I'm going to do is put a frame on. It's our 6-inch frame. There are some guide pins here, so you want to set it on there just right, so it'll fit inside the guide pins. And you'll take your 6-inch wafer and place it. You place that on our steel here. Now what's important is you want to get a good vacuum on the system. You can see there, we're somewhere around 27. You maybe press on the center sometimes, but if you get everything lined up perfectly, you're going to have almost 30 inches of vacuum. So at this point, you'll go ahead and just pull out your tape. And then go ahead and hit start. See the rubber rollers rolling across on the front pack. Then it's going to lift up and move back without putting any pressure on the frame or the tape. So once that's back and locks in, you just go ahead and close this up. Lift the handle up on a wheel, the cutter wheel. Do say 2 passes, bring that down, and then you can cut your tape off, and then you can go ahead and peel your tape off the frame, the excess, and you go ahead and shut the vacuum off. Give it a little while to vent up, and then go ahead and pull your frame off. As you can see, the back side, there's no air bubbles, and that's your wafer on there. Okay, that's our demonstration.